a by a. Okay. Understand it? Huh?
Sir, it is difficult.
Total.
It is so mod A greater than 0.
Oh yeah, a is less than 0, less than or equal to 0, इसलिए mod A is greater than or equal to 0. A is negative, so mod of A is strictly greater than 0. Or strictly greater than is important. Okay, that is why we are, because delta has to be strictly greater than 0. It cannot be 0. Okay, so this part is important. So we have this. So x lies between these two. But I want to find out the bound for mod x. So x lies between two negative quantities. These two are negative. A by 2, 3a by 2, all these are negative quantities because a is less than 0 here. So, but what is mod x? For x negative, mod x is minus x. Okay. So just multiply with minus, the inequality will get reversed. Okay. So what will happen? Minus a by 2 is less than minus x less than minus 3a by 2. Right? If we multiply an inequality by minus 1, okay, the inequality gets reversed. Okay. All these are just properties that you already know. Okay. Nothing new here. So what is this? Minus a is again mod a. Mod a by 2 is less than mod x less than 3 mod a by 2. So what I have got? When mod of x minus a is less than mod a by 2, mod x is less than these two quantities. Okay. Mod of x is lying between mod a by 2 and 3 mod a by 2. Right? 3 into mod a, which is minus a is actually mod a. 3 mod a by 2. Okay. Right?
Simply minus is less than 0
Huh?
Simply we have
That.
a less than 0. Because minus is
That also we will do. Minus a is greater than 0, so that is minus a by 2.
Greater than 0.
Huh?
Less than 0.
Yeah. Minus a is greater than 0. Okay. So from there also you can do. Minus a by 2 is greater than 0. Okay. And then you take this one. This difference. A minus a by 2. A plus minus a by 2. Okay.
Sir, a positive. A positive.
A negative. We are doing the other case. Positive already we have done. Okay. Here a is negative. Okay. So that is why in the positive case there was no problem because I could have taken a by 2 as the delta. Okay. Positive case a by 2 was delta. In the negative case we have to take mod a by 2 as the delta. Okay. That is the thing. So from here what you can write? What is 1 by mod x? 1 by mod x will lie between what? 2 by mod x. 1 by mod x will lie between 2 by mod x. 2 by mod x. So from here we have. So there is no 0 here because these two are positive quantities. Okay, there is no 0 involved. So we can take reciprocal. So this implies 2 by 3 mod a. This is less than 1 by mod x. This is less than 2 by mod a. Okay. Okay. 2 by 3 mod a. This is lying between 1 by mod x and less than 2 by mod a. So we have got a bound, isn't it? Bound place. 1 by mod x is always less than 2 by mod a. In which region? In this region. In this. A jagah, not in any other region. In this region. If mod of x minus a lies between is less than mod a by 2 in this region. Okay. So inside this region, 1 by mod x is less than 2 by a. So this we can write this. So therefore, from 1 and 2 we have. So from 1 and 2 we have for mod of x minus a less than mod a by 2. Okay, mod a by 2. Mod of fx minus 1 by a is actually strictly less than mod of x minus a by mod a multiplied with 2 divided by mod a. Okay, 2 by mod a. So that is actually equal to mod of x minus a multiplied with 2 by mod a square. Okay, so 2 by a square. 2 by mod a square is same as 2 by a square. Okay. So this is the idea. Okay, so this can be made less than epsilon if we take or whenever mod of x minus a is less than epsilon a square epsilon by, okay, ultimately mod a square is same as a square, okay, so this is less than a square epsilon by, okay. So what should be our delta? Therefore let delta equal to minimum of mod a by 2 and a square epsilon by 2. So let us take delta as minimum of these two quantities, then this difference is less than epsilon. Therefore mod of fx minus 1 by a is less than epsilon whenever mod of x minus a is less than delta. Okay. So therefore limit of x tends to a of 1 by x is equal to 1 by a. Okay. Clear? So for x positive, a positive and for a negative, we have already done. Okay. कुछ नहीं सिस्टम का okay. Now if there is no restriction on a, the same problem, show that limit x tends to a 1 by x is equal to 1 by a for a non-zero, okay, a not equal to 0. Means a may be negative also, a may be positive also, okay. We can do both the things at the same time, okay. See, we can do it in a much simpler way. Here I have elaborated. We can do it in a much simpler way. Since we have understood now, so this is that epsilon greater than 0 be given. Then mod of 1 by x minus 1 by a. This is already we have seen. This is equal to mod a multiplied with mod of 1 by x. Okay. So for mod of x minus a less than mod a by 2. Okay. Since a not equal to 0, so mod a is greater than 0. Okay. Mod a is positive. Okay. So for mod of x minus a less than mod a by 2. Okay. So we are considering a neighborhood of radius mod a by 2. Okay. We have. Okay. Oh, it's simple. We can just work with mod. Okay. We have what is mod of x. Mod of x can be written as mod of x minus a plus a. No? Mod of x can be written as mod of x minus a plus a. No? Okay. So from here itself we can simplify. We can write it greater than or equal to or less than or equal to something. Okay. Mod of x minus a. I want to find a bound for mod x. Okay. So I have to write I have to show that mod of x is greater than something. Okay. Mod of x is greater than something. This is what I have to show. Okay. So how can we show that? Mod of x is greater than something, some k, and then I can write 1 by mod x is less than 1 by k. Okay. So this is our intention. Okay. So can we do that? Just try to think. Can we write it this way or some other way? Can we write this way or some other way?
Next.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Means you try to bring mod of x is greater than something. Okay, greater than something. Okay. So let us try to see what happens. Say this this say mod of x minus a, this can be written as what? Mod of x plus, or we can write mod x minus a, mod x minus mod of x minus a can be written as mod x. I want something like mod x is greater than something. Okay. Mod x is greater than something. So directly means without breaking the mod, we should be able to write it. So if I write something like mod of a is equal to mod of a minus x plus x. Okay, this is less than or equal to, yeah, from here itself we can do. So we have this, you see this, just using mod, the things become very simple. Okay. Mod of a can be written as mod of a minus x plus x. No? Mod of a can be written as this, and this is less than or equal to mod of x minus a plus mod x. Okay. And this is actually strictly less than mod a by 2, no? Plus mod x. Okay, so from here what can I write? Mod x is strictly greater than, this is triangle inequality. It is also mod of x plus y. This is always less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. Okay, this is what I have done. This plus this, mod of this plus this. This is less than or equal to mod of this plus mod of this. Okay, and this quantity is already less than mod a by 2. Okay, so I can write this is strictly less than mod a by 2 plus mod x. So now change the sides. So mod x is strictly greater than what? Mod a minus mod a by 2. Okay, that is mod x is strictly greater than mod a by 2. So what about 1 by mod x? 1 by mod x will be less than 2 divided by mod a. Okay, so this is just working with mod. Okay. Nothing else. We don't have to consider a positive, a negative separately. Just with mod. Just I have used properties of modulus. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so in this region, 1 by mod x is always less than 2 by mod a. Okay. So from here again we can do. So this is 1. So therefore 1 implies, or therefore for mod of x minus a, tapore the same system. You complete it. Okay. From 1 and 2 we have this you can take as 2. So from 1 and 2 we have for this, then everything else is same. Okay. So delta is minimum of mod a square. Baki sab same. Okay, so the same problem I have done in 3 different ways. Okay, so you can see different now, they are similar. Okay, but this is the most general one because here a positive, a negative, everything is considered together. Okay, so just the positive case also you can do it the same way. Eta যেভাবে করছি exactly same ভাবে করতে পারো. Okay, negative case also you can do it this way. Okay, instead of finding out x less than a by 2, 3a by 2, instead of that you can do it directly this way. Okay, so it's a better way of doing it. Mod of a can be written as mod of a minus x plus x. This is less than or equal to mod of x minus a plus x. This is already less than mod a by 2 plus x. So just change the sides. Mod of x is strictly greater than this. Okay, so 1 by mod x is strictly less than 2 by mod x. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, बराबर বুঝছো নি কিরকম লাগে রিয়েল অ্যানালাইসিস হ্যাঁ বহুত খারাপ নেই এটা বড় গিয়ে প্র্যাকটিস করিও নাইলে কিছু বুঝতে হয় না আগা মাথা কিছু বুঝতে হয় না বুঝছো নি